dance with me. And go! See you soon.
Hello, my son. My baby boy, I miss you so much. Yes, it's Mama. Half of your own Mama. Anak, ang tagal natin hindi nagkikita. Pero I'm so happy na wow, 15 years na anak. That's our lifetime for Sana. Si Alan Richards pa rin. Successful pa rin, minamahal pa rin nag-ibang nagbabago. Kahit namin sabi sa akin, parang hindi mo naman ako namimiss. Di ba tayo kumakain nila maapagkenda, joke lang. Anak, I know you're busy, but I'm very proud of you. I'm proud that I'm your mama. You're my son. You're always with me. I miss everybody, lalo si Mama Ted, at yung pagkain niya. I love you, anak. Happy 15th anniversary. God bless you more and more. Lalo nakapagin ng tao. Kaya mahal kita. At saka, may have more happiness in life. Ikaw, you all the desires of your heart. I love you, anak. God bless you. Tsaka, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Birthday na rin. Love you, baby boy. See you soon.
Hi, Jay. Happy anniversary. I'm so proud of what you have accomplished for the last 15 years. But more than the accolades and the awards and all the popularity, I am proud that you have maintained a good heart. So just continue on, but in the next 15 years, please focus on yourself. Have more time for yourself, and remember, you will not grow old alone. As long as your family is here, we will be here behind you all the way. So take care, always pray, and I love you so much. Happy anniversary.
Congratulations, RJ! Wow! 15th year anniversary. Ooh, congratulations! So, kung naka-15 ka na, ilan taon nga nag-start? That makes you... Ilan taon nag-start?
Maybe 10?
Uy, 25 si Kuya RJ!
Or maybe 5.
Oh, 20! 20 years old lang si Kuya RJ. Oh, alright, Kuya RJ. But anyway, would like to greet you. Congratulations! We love you and we miss you. Sabi rin ni Louie. Hello.
Hi, Par! Hi, Alden! Congratulations! 15 years, grabe! You've come a long way. Ang masasabi ko lang siguro, I'm just so happy to be part of that 15 years. Marami pang dreams, marami ka pang goals, alam ko yan. At maraming salamat din sa mga sumusuporta sa iyo. Dahil sigurado akong maraming kang kasamang nagmamahal sa iyo ngayon. Congrats!
Nako, nasira? Teka lang, bakit nasira?
Ganito tayo pag-live, guys.
Ayun siya! Naku, nasira.
Surprise, Alden!
Surprise! Siyempre, hindi ako papayag masira yung greeting ko sa'yo.
Sobra akong kinabahan talaga nung akala ko nasira talaga. Sabi ko na lang, Lord, please. Yung pala.
Surprise!
Pastor Mrs. Maria Joseph, thank you.
Ay, good evening po. Good evening sa inong lahat. Grabe, congrats. Tatapusin ko yung bati ko. Congratulations, 15 years. Alam niyo po, sa lahat po sa inyo na nandito, na sumusuporta at nagmamahal kay Alden, tama po yung tao na sinuportahan ninyo. Kasi grabe, nung nakilala ko to, sabi ko iba. Kaya ka nandito, kung nasan ka ngayon, deserve na deserve mo. We're so proud of you. Congratulations.
Actually po kasi, backstory lang po ng friendship naming dalawa ng Parcos and Julia. We all started 5 breakups in a romance. Somehow, meron kaming damage part. And minsan kasi parang you get to really deal with that with the right people. I'm not saying with the right people na may damage part din, but I think hinawakan kasi rin ni Julia yung kamay ko during that time. Gulat talaga ako na dito. But, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa iyo para for everything na yung pinapakita kong support sa'yo na sinabi ko sa'yo nung natapos yung pelikula natin na hindi mawawala. I stayed true to that. And ngayon, nandito ka, hindi talaga ako sanay na sino-surprise, pero alam ko ba kung sino yung mga tao behind this? But thank you, Jules. Laking bagay sa akin ng pelikula natin. I'm sure alam mo yan. Marami akong nadala, naturo sa sarili ko dahil sa mga kwentuhan natin dalawa kasama si Direk Irene. Pero maraming salamat for being here. Hindi ko in-expect, pero love you, Jules. Love you, Pat. Maraming salamat.
Ito natin, Miss Julia Montes!
Part 2? 5 breakups?
Oo nga, para magkasama tayo lagi.
Ano, di ba? Sa Tarosa, once again, Julia Montes!
Dahil mahal kita, napakat mo ako sa stage. Oh, grabe naman yung friendship na yan. Goals! Wow!
Thanks, Julia.
Thank you, Julia! Na-surprise ka ba, Alden?
Gusto mo pa ba?
Meron pa!
Meron pa?
Hindi, isasena lang namin.
Tama naman na. Nakabahan ako sa inyo eh.
Hindi, pero ito, hindi pa kasi tapos ang gabi, guys. Because the biggest surprise of the night is coming right up. We will make sure na makakalaya na kayo sa inyong mga monitor!
Oh my goodness!
Grabe! Promise, we will be back.
See you guys. Later ulit.
We'll be right back.
Then for our last platinum winner, 19B. 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 Congratulations po. And then, 3 winners for our VIP ticket holders. Let's go, 17C. 17C. Ayun, si ating naka-jacket na pula. Aabot na lamang po. Ano mo yan? Pamangkin. Next, 2A. VIP, 2A. 2A, 2 Alpha. 2A. Ayan, 2A. Ano, Val? Ano, Ani? So ulitin nga po natin, 17A, si ate ni, si pamangkin ni Ayan. So since meron pala tayong double digit, so since 2A, 2A, left and right, 2A, right kanina, 2A left naman. Okay, sige, para pasok tayo sa sa banga. Okay, so yun guys, that's it for our fan benefits and sound check. So I'll see you guys later for the main show. Stay put lang kayo dyan. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Salamat.